Today from 11:30 to 1 o'clock during lunchtime, students will be able to participate in a guidance challenge. And I would really love for you to have your child participate so that we can have the most participation in our classroom and hopefully win a prize. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to dojo.me and you will see this site pop up which tells you choose how to enter your class. You are going to click the one with the class code, and then you are going to enter your code that I will also share with you on Dojo. When you click the code, enter the code, you're going to look for your child's name. When you click on your child's name, this is where you're going to see their portfolio. In their portfolio, they can upload any work that they want to show me. And they can also, right here where the to-do is where they will find the activity for today, Stress Busters. When they click start, they will be able to turn their assignment into Miss Waller. Hopefully we have the most participants so that we can hopefully win a prize today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.